Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a quick and easy marinade for carne asada with ingredients that you guys should have in your kitchen. So let's get started.
The type of seasoning that we're going to be using today is going to be this Sazonador Supremas. Alright, you can use this for steak, you can use this for chicken. I really recommend this for the chicken. Orange, some lime. We're also going to be using some onion and some cilantro. So let's show you guys the process. It's just sprinkle all over your meat on one side. Make sure that you're generous with the other piece of meat. The next process is to add in the ingredients to actually make the marinade. So here we have the onion. You just want to help it out and help the rings spread out. And for our secret ingredient, we cannot forget, here we have our modelo. You can use any type of Mexican beer. I want to use about half. And then the rest, you can enjoy it. You know, I added the oranges just for the look, because it's all about showing out when you're doing your barbecue. Look at that, guys. Now we're gonna do our salsa. Now let's give this some salt. Followed by water.
Stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Now this is how your meat should look, or at least this is how I like it. I know some of you guys might think it looks burnt, but this is exactly how I like it for my preference. This is the steak, guys, as you guys can see. It's well done. Now let's make ourselves a taco.
Stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
I like to do with my tacos. I don't know how you guys like to eat your tacos, but comment down below. What's your favorite taco? I like to add some cheese to mine. Let's not forget about our salsa. By the way, this is some Chilean chiloso Cotija cheese. And it's my favorite cheese. If you haven't tried it, go ahead. I recommend it. It's really delicious. It's not spicy at all, but it's a little different.
Hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite type of taco, and if you actually got to try my recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much for your support. Peace.